Hello, humans. This is Silver Chain speaking. And today, since I'm using Microsoft Teams for the very first time, and since I'm, getting a hang of Microsoft Teams for the very first time, I thought I might get myself familiar with the ringtones and maybe show them to you guys and stuff like that. Some of you guys may know the Teams ringtones from Skype. Other people may know them from somewhere else. Other people may not know them at all. So that's why we're going to be taking a look at them. And, yeah. Let me know which one is your favorite in the comments. I keep saying that, but, you know how it is. This is my first time using Microsoft Teams, like I said, so I don't know any of these ringtones. I do know one of them from Skype, though. Anyways, yeah. Let's get started, shall we? And if you'd like to see more, feel free to leave a like and a comment. And yeah, let's get started.
6:32 p.m. Calls for you. Bob. B. Default.
Here we go.
B. Bob. Bounce. Bubbles. Bubbles, loud. Drip drop. Eureka. Flutter. High score. Next level. Remix.
Why would they have a remix of that? Just why? The original's better, in my opinion. Just don't... Why would they have a remix? You know what? I'm not going to question it.
Ring ring. Ripple. Space time. Wish granted. Wobble.
And that is the wrap-up of the ringtones for your teams. And, yeah. What was my favorite one? It's got to be the default one, because it literally reminds me of Skype and how people would literally use Skype. Which one would I pick, though? I guess I'll have to go between Space Time and Beep, and I don't know. They're both good, except they're all good. Like, the ringtones from Teams are so freaking good, except that remix one. Why would they make a remix? But yeah, let me know which one would you rather go for in the comments, and which one is your favorite. And until next time, peace.